Now, the China Car Passenger Association just gave us their figures of the new energy vehicle sales from the 1st to the 23rd, which still on the screen you'll notice that obviously they are saying that they are now at 622,000, which is up 40% from previous month, and these represent a 53.9% penetration rate between the 1st to the 23rd. And year to date, the penetration rate is at 47.3%, which is something that is great, right? I mean, you will know that the China Car Passenger Association this month, they are expecting to sell plus 1 million cars or plus 1 million units, which is something that is great. I mean, you will know that obviously January, February, when you look into the new energy vehicle sales, they were below 1 million. China has never done 1 million this year. The last time we saw plus 1 million, in fact, plus 1, almost plus 1.5 million, it was back in December of last year, right? China in December got NEV sales almost 1.6 million, and seeing them dropping from 1.6 in January and February to below 1 million, it was something that was not good to see. But it is expected each and every year. If you have a look at the trend, January, February, even March a bit, you will notice that the sales throughout the new energy vehicle sales, the sales are down, and this is because the demand is low during that period. January, February, people are budgeting, are setting their yearly targets, financial targets, and therefore they are not really thinking about going out there and buy cars, which is why the demand for buying cars during this period is low. But there is a good but, which is something that is great. There is a good but, and that is from March going forward, we usually see the demand picking up, which is something that is great. And this is the primary reason why also the Chinese Car Passenger Association is expecting to sell plus 1 million cars this month. I mean, I am very happy to know that. I am very happy to know that we are expecting to see plus 1 million, and I must say it's already positive. It's already going there, because from the 1st to the 23rd, if we're sitting at 622, it means that we're just left with around 378,000. Which, can we do it in 7 days? I think so, man. I think we can do it. We can achieve, or China new energy vehicle sales can achieve this, and we get to see them at least around 1 million, which will be so great, so exciting to see this take place. So yeah, man, I am happy. I am excited. I thought I'd give you this quick updates. Tell me what you think about this, and these numbers, you will know that they are very, very important for even EV cars like NEO, because the more these figures grow, the more car makers like NEO will do well. The more this market grows, or the new energy vehicle market grows, the more companies like NEO will do very well in terms of sales, which is something that is great, something that is amazing. And like I said, it makes me to want to load the boat. So tell me what you think about this, man. I remain long and strong onto NEO. I remain bullish, because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. That's for sure, man. I know share price wise NEO might not be doing that well today, because of the share offering that they offered in Hong Kong, which was not public, as we discussed in the previous video, where it led into NEO raising 4 billion HKD, or $514 million. This was, in as much as yes, it's a share dilution, but this was so great and encouraging to see at the same time, because if NEO is able to raise 4 billion HKD, or $514 million in a space of 4 hours, this just simply means that investors are still bullish onto NEO. Regardless of what we might still be seeing, investors still see great stuff coming out of NEO. And hopefully, NEO gets to the next level. Hopefully, NEO gets to profitability in Q4, which, if that takes place, if that happens, it's lights out, man. It's lights out, because a lot of the naysayers, short sellers, they don't see this takes place. They don't see, some of them, they don't see this happening. But NEO CEO, every time he gets the stage, and talk about NEO, he's talking about for profitability. He said, if there's one thing that NEO employees, they know is the target for this year, it's profitability in Q4. This is what they are targeting. This is the internal memorandum. And this is what each and every day NEO employees are thinking about when they are working, when they are executing, when they are doing their day tasks, which is something that is pretty good. CBU will help NEO cut cost. Gross margins improvement will help NEO get to profitability. And because of these new products that are coming, these products, new models, will help NEO get to the next level in terms of sales, which more sales and improved gross margins will lead us to profitability, which is something that we look forward to because this is very, very important to the NEO investors. Like I said, Q2, Q3, we'll be seeing exactly where NEO is at because we should be seeing signs. We should be seeing net losses coming down, which that will be a confirmation, a sign to say that indeed NEO is getting closer and closer to profitability, which is very important that we also monitor these quarters, these earnings of Q1, Q2, Q3 to check are the net losses coming down, reducing, because that, like I said, it will be also very, very important. Otherwise, with all that, just thought I'd give you this quick update. Tell me what you think about this. Blue sky is coming, long term will win. Those that are persevering will most definitely be rewarded. The more the market or the Chinese market new energy vehicle grows, is the more companies like NEO will continue doing very well. Share this video to your friends, your family, and all those that just want latest developments onto NEO, because one thing that we are seeing, there are people that are investing onto NEO that some still don't know about some of the latest developments, some of the latest technology that makes NEO to be special, that is out there. And sharing videos like this makes that information, that content, to go to those kind of people, which will lead them into making some precise decision and not make harsh decision based off what they are saying. But again, we are not forced, or we cannot tell people what to do with their shares. What they do, it's up to what they do with their shares, whether they buy, share, sell, trim, increase their holdings. It's up to them. But as for me, I know one thing, that blue sky is coming, long term will win, those that are persevering will be rewarded. I will see you on the next one, man, and God bless you all.